Hey there, I'm Brennan with the Dia's AM integration team. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Mimaki 3D UJ553. This incredible machine redefines what's possible in 3D printing with its unrivaled color capabilities and stunning resolution. The 3D UJ553 leverages Mimaki's advanced inkjet technology, combining CMYK, white, and clear inks to achieve over 10 million color combinations. This incredible machine redefines what's possible in 3D printing with its unrivaled color capabilities and stunning resolution, unparalleled in the industry. But that's not all. Thanks to its specialized pure clear ink, this technology also excels in printing in crystal clear and translucent color, perfect for visualizing internal structures or other applications requiring optical clarity. By bringing full photorealism in the world of additive manufacturing, Mimaki sets a new standard that no other technology in the market can match. Imagine the possibilities for visual prototyping, architectural modeling, medical simulations, or intricate artistic pieces with such vibrant color capabilities and clarity. Contact us today to learn more or visit us online at adiatech.com/Mimaki.